Truly Global Consult Plantation to Partner. Thank you for watching this. Thank you. Thank you. This is the fumigation process of cacao. You can see it like this. You can see that you can cover it. The process we are watching right now is the fumigation of the cacao plant. As you can see, the way it's being performed. It's very necessary as a farmer while you are fumigating your cacao to start from below at the base of the cacao plant. So you start from the base, you understand? Then spray up to the stem, from stem, then spray the base of the cacao. That's the procedure. You can see. You try as much as possible, spray crown. Yeah.